Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to print both even and odd numbers by using while loop in C++. So let's get started. So first we will be getting the number n as the input from the user, till which we will be printing both the even and odd numbers. So let int n be that number, and let me just have here cout enter n and endl to create a new line. It's going to be c in n. And next let me just have a while loop, and for printing the even or odd numbers we will be using a temporary variable. So let the temporary variable be I, and the initial value of the temporary variable depends upon the even and odd numbers, okay, that we are going to generate. So first let me generate the even numbers. So for even numbers, let me have the initial value of our temporary variable I as 2, because this is going to be the first even number that we are going to print, and 2 is the smallest even number. 1 is an odd number and 0 is a neutral number. So start from 2. So the condition is going to be I less than and equal to n. So we will be printing the even numbers till our I value is less than or equal to n. So if it goes greater than n, the while loop will break, and inside this we will be just having a cout, and we will print I and in a new line endl. So we are done with everything, but the only thing that is left is we need to increment the value of I, because we are checking the condition, we are printing it, and this will just go on an infinite loop. We need to have a condition to increment the value of I, so that we have a limit and it prints till only n. So the incrementation is going to be I equal to I plus 2. So let me just now explain you how this is going to work, like a short demo. I'll just have some comments like this, yeah, and let me take the initial value of our n to be 8. So initially I value is going to be 2. So 2 less than or equal to 8 condition is true. This is the output. 2 gets printed. Then I equal to I plus 2. So our I value is 2 earlier. So it's going to be I equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So I value becomes 4 here, 4 over here, 4 less than 8 condition is true. 4 gets printed, and in the next line I equal to 4 plus 2. So it becomes 6. I becomes 6. 6 less than 8 condition is true. 6 gets printed, and it gets added with 2 to become 8. I is 8 now. 8 less than or equal to 8 condition is still true, and we'll be having here 8 in an output. So that's the reason why you should have here less than or equal. So that's also important. And after this I equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10, and it goes here I value is now 10, and this condition fails because 10 less than or equal to 8, the condition is absolutely false. While loop breaks, and we will be having this in our output. So let me just now save this, and let me just now run this. So enter n, let me go with 10. So here you can see I'm getting all the even numbers printed from 2 to 10. So for printing the odd numbers, it is just going to be a single line change. So rather than having here 2, we will just change this to 1. That's it. So now this program prints the odd numbers till n. So let me also explain you how this is going to work. So let me just remove this, and let me just have the same value as 8. So initially now our I value is 1, okay. We just changed here from 2 to 1. 2 prints even number, 1 prints odd number. That's the difference. So I value is initially 1. It goes here I less than or equal to n. N is 8, true. 1 gets printed. I equal to I plus 2, which is 1 plus 2. So it's going to be 3. I value is 3 now. It goes here I equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 8 condition is true. 3 gets printed, and I equal to 3 plus 2, which gives us 5. Then it goes here 5 less than or equal to 8, true. 5 gets printed, and 7 condition is true. 7 gets printed. Here 7 plus 2, now I value becomes 9, and this becomes 9. 9 less than or equal to 8 condition is false, and we will be getting the odd numbers like this in the output. So let me just now save this and clear this. So the condition that works here is that whenever we add a even number with 2, we will be getting the next even number. For example, let me add 2 with 4. 4 plus 2 gives 6, which is also even number, and it is a next even number to 4. And same applies with odd number also. If I add 2 with any odd number, that is going to be a odd number, and that will give us the next odd number. For example, 1 plus 2 3. 3 is odd number and is a next odd number. 3 plus 2 5, next odd number, and it's an odd number. So this is how it works. So if I run it now, we will be getting the odd numbers printed. That's great. So now let's see how we can print both. So it's so simple to print both at the same time. Let me just now clear this all, and let me just now copy the same while loop. Just copy this, paste it here, and we need to have two initial values. Another one is going to be int j equal to 2. So the while loop with I value will print us the odd number because I value is 1, and the while loop with j inside it, which I'm going to change now, will print the even numbers because j initial value is 2. Here you can see this is for even, this is for odd. And let me just also have a print so that we know what we are getting in the output. So I will just have here odd. I'm gonna copy this, paste here, and this is gonna be even. So yeah, change this to j and just copy paste of code. Yeah, so this is it. We just now save it, and don't change n. Okay, n should be common for both. Clearing it, running, enter n. Let me go with 10 again. So odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9, even numbers 2 4 6 8 10. So this is working fine, and I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in C++, C, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL queries. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.